invoice number V8820. Today is February 24th, 2025. We are in video inspecting the clothes dryer vent. This is to the exterior right here. The louver's just on the other side of that. What we are inspecting here is the interior of the dryer vent. The dryer vent is ran from a PVC, like a drainage pipe, the green color that you see there. There's a lot of lint built up within here as well. I'm going to put you an approximate length on this. This is all PVC though. A lot of lint in here. Already 6 feet down. See all the lint. It's an elbow. 9 feet. Second elbow. This will be 15 feet coming down. Is 18 feet total. This is just a bunch of debris that I pulled out from the camera. You can see the PVC pipe in the wall. You see how they cut this thing inside this wall as well. Not very neat. Not a neat job by any means, but you can see the PVC. All plastic pipe. There's a little hole, so I'm just kind of just me sneaking it up. And you can see the pipe ran up the wall. Again, this is not approved material. This material can have sparks or flames migrate out, because again, it is PVC and it does have a threshold on how much heat it can actually hold. Again, this is not an approved material, and you can see all the lint that just really was accumulated inside this PVC pipe as well. Again, you're approximately 18 feet. Recommendations are going to follow. And that concludes the video inspection for the clothes dryer.